How to replace a bearing on the idle shaft on the scraper. First of all, remove the 6 bolts, and this will allow you to access the circlip which holds the bearing in so it doesn't come out. So we'll just remove this circlip here. Now take a puller, whatever you can find offshore, and just start tightening up. Some shafts you'll find that are quite tight on the bearings, so sometimes you need to use some heat, so just make sure you're in a nice ventilated area before you start heating up the bearing to expand that, and that'll allow you to take it off a bit easier. Most of them should pull off with a puller. So just slide the bearing out of the actual protecting cap, get your new bearing and your grease. This is the recommended grease to use. Apply it inside the cap and also apply it to the shaft as well. If you find the shaft is damaged anywhere, just clean it up with some sandpaper, quite fine sandpaper, and the bearing will just slide over like so. If you find it's quite tight, I would recommend taking it off again and just taking some sandpaper. If not, you can use a socket in the inside and just gently tap it on, but you have to use the inner ring of the bearing. So put your circlip back over the top and then make sure it's sitting nice and flush to the bearing and you've got it in the groove like so. And now just fit your protecting cap over the top and tighten up your bolts. Now this is ready to go back onto the cube.